Hi, this is just a video on the SportsArt C575U upright bike. This could also be the same for the other versions of LED screen SportsArt upright bikes, recumbent bikes, and also elliptical cross trainers as well. But to get into the maintenance mode or the back end to change from miles to kilometres or vice versa, this is a self-generated one, so I just got to pedal this change display button here. You hold that down for 2 seconds while it's in this standby screen. Just hold that down 2 seconds and it'll flick across here. If you need to change it from miles to kilometres, you just use this up or down arrow, or just one or the other, to go to the one you want, and then when you hit enter it'll save it and go to the next one. Time limits, this is if you want to have a time limit, you can have on the time limits on the workouts. UK English, all the different languages you got, US English, things like that. So we'll go UK. This is the distance this particular bike has travelled. So if you're doing preventative maintenance, things like that, or you want to jot down how much the machines have been used, this is how much this one's been used. Enter again, and this is the hours that it's been operating as well. This is an older bike, so it's done a fair bit of Ks. And these are just software versions for the upper and lower circuit boards, and then that's back to start screen there. And then when it's back to start screen like this, then you know, and all these are flashing, you know you're back to standby mode. You can just hit quick start and then it'll work. This one here you can see is now counting down from 60, which means that is the time limit on it. It's set to 60. So with this one, to get out of this, what we do is hold the button down again, change display button for 2 seconds, scroll through, and then we need to change this to no time limit and save that, and that's how you get maintenance mode. Thank you.